everyone! Welcome to my channel! Today in this video, I will share with you the top 5 lipsticks that I've been wearing non-stop this 2020, so far at least. So if you're interested to know what they are, please keep on watching. Hi! It's been a while and I haven't uploaded videos for maybe 2 months. I have been eaten by life. So here I am back in front of all of you saying that I'm sorry I haven't been showing up, but I was in a journey to finding myself. And so I launched another channel that will be talking about all the things related to what I'm doing right now. I know that I have a video, which I'll link down below, where I was trying to do my skincare routine and I was trying to remove my makeup. And I was talking about where I am headed. I still want to go to makeup school here in Paris, but from being a certified online business manager, I took another certification. I'm a certified Fix This Next advisor. This is Fix This Next is a new system created by Mike McCallowitz. It talks about business hierarchy of needs, and I love that. So from having those 2 certifications and those 2 experiences, and from having the experience of working with multi-7-figure businesses, here I am telling you that I have moved to coaching lifestyle business. But I'm not going to talk about that on this video because that is on my other work type channel. And that's a channel named Antoinette, my name. And in this video, we talk only about makeup and fun things. So I will share with you the 5 lipsticks that I have been wearing for the past, I don't know, towards the end of 2019 until today. Today is April 4th. So the entire first quarter of 2020. And first on my list is this Lancome. Please don't murder me if I'm not saying it correctly. This is Lancome. So hard. Pink Power Matte Shaker. You already know this. This is you're gonna shake it, and then the applicator is really interesting. And this is the shade. This is literally how it looks on my lips. I'm sorry that I'm not going to be able to do a live lip swatch, but yeah, I love that. So there you go. The second lipstick that I will talk about, and I love to death, is, so I've been wearing this since, I don't know, since I got it. Maybe for about a year now, to be honest. This is an item that I'm taking from 2019 over to 2020. It's still part of my favorite lipstick. The second item is Marc Jacobs. This is called, I don't know, Le Marc Liquid Lips Crayon in Flaming O. So it really says that, Flaming O. And this is a lip crayon. It's really amazing because it is in crayon form, but it magnifies in your lips. You see, I'm wearing it right now and it doesn't transfer on the skin. It's as if it's a liquid lipstick. It's actually what it says. It's a liquid lip crayon, and it's amazing. So I'm gonna try to put on see? Okay, so this is the swatch. I'm gonna try to do a really bad job in swatching because that's how we swatch things. It's I hope you can see it somehow. So this is the swatch. I'm not sure how you can give justice to it, but I'm wearing it right now, and it has a iridescent of purple color in it. It's really amazing. It's my favorite thing. This is my go-to. I feel that I will need to get another one of this. This is, I think, 30 euros, but it is so worth it. The second lipstick that I've been wearing since 2020 started is this NYX. They call it NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Addis Ababa. We all know and love this. And this is my second tube, and I just have been wearing it. As you would notice, there's a theme in here of all pinks. As I have been doing my inner work and things like that, I've been going after alignment, authenticity, and figuring out who I want to be, what I want to do, and things like that. I love pink, and pink loves me back. So I've been, wearing it. I've been like really just wearing it a lot. So that's why there's a theme in here. But you'd be glad to know that the third product that I'll talk about is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. And you probably already know about this. This is how it looks like. It is your regular, matte lipstick, but there's something about it that is so nice to wear. It actually smells vanilla-ish, somewhat like a MAC lipstick. But it is luxurious to the feel, and it makes my lips plump for whatever reason. And the fifth product that I want to share with you in this video today is NARS. I don't know what it's called. Afterglow Lip Balm in the shade Torrid. I got this from the Christmas duo thing. I'm gonna share with you. Where is it? So they came together like so. This is Torrid by NARS. Let's take a look. Right? And it's so cute, and you don't really like finish off one blush, so I really love that. But anyway, I enjoyed this balm the most because it has been like we're coming off of winter, and this lipstick or balm gives me a little tint, a little shade, but it is not super pink, so that when I'm not wearing makeup, I would usually wear a balm when I'm not wearing makeup, and it's not super pink that it looks off that I'm just wearing pink lipstick and no makeup at all. It sometimes looks weird like that. But also, yeah. So yeah, those are the 5 lip items that I've been wearing at the end of 2019 that I have carried over during the first quarter. These are the only lipsticks that I've been wearing over and over and over. So yeah, that's what I want to share with you today. I hope you like this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and please do subscribe to my other channel because I share a lot of things: abundance, alignment, your purpose in life, business, product-based business, e-commerce, business management, all the good stuff. It's Antoinette Placides. And that's it for today. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Subscribe, comment below. I'll see you next time. Bye.